Hey everyone, today I wanted to do a review on the Reproduction Scuttle cover for Volkswagen Mark IIs that I just found out about. The Scuttle cover, if you guys don't know what this is this plastic piece here. You can see they get all beat up after a while, and if you've got a Volkswagen as old as I do, I'm sure yours is in just as bad a condition as mine is. So you see after a while, these pieces just kind of fall apart. See, just very brittle plastic, it looks bad, and I'm sure there's many Volkswagens that have just completely missed, or lost this part over the years. And it's actually kind of important to have this part here though, because under here are all your computers. See, there's one of the computers right there, and there's another one under there. And you got a bunch of wiring and stuff under here too. So what I just want to do today is kind of take the old one off. I'm going to put this new part on that I got, and we'll see how it fits. So let me get the rest off here, and then I'll grab the new one. Okay, as you can see, I got the old one off, and here is what it usually covers up. You got some wiring and a couple of boxes here. I'm not sure what these do, but I definitely know they shouldn't be getting wet. So the Scuttle cover will protect it from water when it rains and when I wash the car and whatnot. And I didn't even know you could get reproductions of this. So here's the old one here. And I was just on this VW Heritage website, something like that. And I was just browsing through the parts and I saw it. So here we got it right here. And here are the new, here's the new one, that's the old one. And I thought the new one would include this piece as well, but it does not. It just is this part. And just looking at it off the bat, the plastic is a lot thicker than on this one. See, this is very brittle. It's almost like the same thickness as paper, where I can feel this one is a lot thicker. The old original one had this little plastic window here, and I think you can see some kind of serial number or something through that. And this one, there's no plastic, it's just a hole. So we got a few differences here. We got a hole here for maybe drainage or something. And you can see them side by side here. And as you can see, I got it in after a little bit of shoving, and had to bend a little metal too just to get it to fit right. It's not exact, but it's good. It's pretty good. And you can see these little metal clips here. These were not included with the Reproduction, but these are from the old one. So I just put the clips on there to hold it. So you can kind of see the plastic just kind of grips onto the metal like so. And this definitely looks a lot nicer than the old one did. So I'm happy to have it. And if you guys want to pick this up, check out Heritage Auto Parts, or VW Heritage. Anyway, I'll put the link below. And I'm not getting sponsored by these guys. I just want to share something with you. So hope you enjoy.